Oh, Stuart. Well, you probably just watched my outtake. So I've resoldered that again. Made a better job of that, I hope. We'll see in a minute. It's lovely being twin cylinder. Never seen a twin cylinder before, as I was saying earlier. It runs very well. I mean, other than the steam pipe blowing out, which is the second time that's happened. The other problem was the sight glass. Took me 2 hours to get off and clean up, and I've had last couple of times I've had a bit of trouble with sight glasses, but I found my original bit of silicone tubing that I'd used before, and that is the perfect size. It fits quite tightly onto that glass tube. I cut 2 washers off, put them on there, put the screws back. 10 minutes, nearly 2 hours to clean it up. Just 10 minutes, that was fitted and on there and don't leak. And that's exactly what I wanted to happen on the last one. And if I can show you back there, I don't know if you can see us. Let's get that floodlight. Right. Where are we? I can't see. I'm guessing. How's that? Can you see? I'm not sure you can see. But anyway, I'm pleased with that. That don't leak, even though we had a failure last go. Anyway, let's light this thing up. There we go. Right. Yeah, and it did hurt a bit when that blew off earlier. Hit the ceiling. A bit lucky because the grandkids had just 10 seconds after that come in, so they were definitely got coloured with oil and smelly water. That probably would have stung a little bit. I'm going to leave this video running, I think, because it doesn't take long for this to heat up. I just hope this, I don't know, it's a funny fitting. I think they're brass, but it's very hard to clean. It's like a double step thing, you put that in. But I've cleaned it out with methylated spirits, everything. Fine, wet and dry. There's no reason why that shouldn't hold now, which is what I thought last time. But so bear with us for a couple of minutes. Give me a chance to tell you about the engine. Yes, going back, this twin cylinder. It all looks original to me. This hasn't been added. This is a Bing test, I reckon, to see if they could sell this model or whatever. That's what the bloke I bought it off thought, and I agree with him really. So anyway, I'm really pleased with that sight glass. Let's have a look. Not quite, nearly. Let's be running my Dole, I forgot what it's called now, 668 windmill. I call it a watermill hammers. Just I know people don't like windmills on the steam for them. Anyway. Oh, nearly, look at that. Nearly there. Oh. And a few seconds. Very good. Love the weighted safety valve there. And there we go. Slow that down a little bit. I like gas, very controllable, but it's not instant. You've got to sort of guess. So that's probably too much. So I'll probably turn it on a little bit more, and hopefully Oh, I think I turned it off actually. Oh no, yeah, there you go. I'm rusty, mate. I haven't done a bit of steaming for weeks, as you know. Right, there we go. I think I've cracked it now. Yeah, the hammers love it. What's wrong with that chimney? A bit loose in there. That's I don't know, it's a bit of a... Somebody's bent it out a bit to try and keep it steady, but I could do better than that. When I have a look at that, I'll put some sort of packing around that. Have a closer look at this engine when it's running. Look at that, beautifully true. Oh, you wouldn't expect anything else, would you? Sort of thing. Got the geared pulley wheel there, and lovely twin pistons, large pistons. This is very powerful. Look at, I'm pressing that quite hard on there. This is going to run some very powerful stuff, I tell you. I put these trays under there because there's a little bit of water coming out of there, but that will stop. It's been running a couple of minutes. Get over the top of that. I'm not staying up. I've got the leg on it. Yeah, sure it's a bit jerky, but I've not got a lot of room in here in a minute, although I have tidied this shed out. Got much more space in here, believe it or not. But this is my work table. I've got a couple of projects on the go here, so stay there. So it was probably about nowish that blew out that last time, so we're already in good territory. Yeah, very nice. I can't help saying it. I mean, this wasn't cheap, but it's a lovely thing. There's a hole there. Don't know what that's for in the past. It's strange. There. Yeah. Right, we're coming up to 10 minutes, and that's probably enough. I mean, this is obviously a longer video than I usually make because I've done it straight from fire up to running. But there we have it, Stuart. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think that's going to be alright now, that joint. So that's my Beam twin cylinder. Never seen one before. I'd love to hear from somebody who's seen one or knows a bit more about it. So there we go. So I'll shut that off and let that run down. I think it'll run on for a lot longer than this. I reckon this thing will run for 20 minutes or so, perhaps a bit longer. There we go. That's it. Thank you.